In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of the secrets, or Easter eggs they're called, of the Tesla Model 3. Now, some of them you may know already, but some of them you may not know, so let's dive straight in. So on a Tesla Model 3 screen, you don't get the T logo, which you might have seen on a Model X and a Model S, which you can press and then bring down apart and all the Easter eggs flash behind. So on here you have to go to the up arrow to your toy box, and then these are also the same Easter eggs you may have seen before. So we've got emissions, which is the farts. Elon says there's only 7 farts in the world, apparently, so he's put them in here. I'm not going to name them all, but I will show you a few, and I will, pardon me, but I will put them on fart on demand. So the left button you can control, and you can also choose where that goes. So I'm going to put it over here. Say you're picking up your friend or someone you don't even like, you can put it, and when they get in, you can... What did you just do? That's the fart mode, really funny. And then you've got tracks, which is a mode where you can make your own tracks. So if you're sat, bored, you can play music and be sort of a little bit of a DJ. Romance mode, really cool. Press that, and on the screen comes a log burner. We've seen it on Netflix, but this actually plays music and blows out hot air from the vent. Then you've got sketch pad, bam, you can sketch on, draw something. Hey, there's something I drew earlier. How cool is that? I really like it. I'm going to publish it, and I'm going to send it to Elon Musk's furnace, because that's pretty much where it's going to go. Back to the toy box then, and we have Mars. Now on Mars, we click that, turn it on, and then all of our satellite navigation turns to the planet of Mars, and we've got like a little rover or pathfinder here where we can move, which moves as us the car. Very hard to navigate when you have this on. It's just a little Easter egg, just a little quirky thing, a little bit like Elon and me. Two peas in a pod. So I'm going to come out of this, and I'm going to go back into the toy box, turn it off. Then you've got Santa, really cool at Christmas. Kids love it, adults love it as well, and it changes your Tesla on this display here to Santa. Now I'm going to be careful here, because when I turn this on, it says Jingle All the Way, and it starts singing Jingle All the Way. Or you can actually use the voice command and say ho ho ho, which changes the automatically to Santa. So as you see, let's turn that down. As you can see here, yeah, I'll say again, there's Santa in his sleigh. I had to use the fart to turn the music off. There you go, you can see, and when you're driving along, it'll be little Santa on the display, really cool. And then when you indicate, listen to this. Jingle bells, very cool. We're turning it off. And then Rainbow Road, simply, that's what you're gonna see along the road, a rainbow, pretty cool. Reminds me of the Mario Kart days. But here are some Easter eggs you may not know. For example, when you are charging your Tesla at a supercharge station, if you click the button 10 times, you'll get a rainbow effect on the charging display, on the T, and on the LED light around the charger, so give it a try. Another one is, if I go into the call button here and I hold call down for 3 seconds, it changes to Ahoy Hoy. Now, the reason it does that is because in the 1870s, Alexander Graham Bell, the inventor of the telephone, his favourite salutation was ahoy hoy. And ahoy derives from the nautical term, ship ahoy ahoy, and the other hoy derives from the Dutch word hoy, meaning high. That's crazy. My geekometer is off the charts right now. That's a really cool little Easter egg there. I'm going to change it back though to simply call. Another Easter egg is we're going to go over to the software and we're going to change the name of our vehicle. Some of you may know these ones, you may not. So here we go. I'm going to name my vehicle number 42, and look what happens to the name of the car. It changes to life, the universe, and everything. Now this is a reference to the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, which states the number 42 is pretty much the meaning of life. So Elon liked that and he put it into this. Another one, we're going to change it to Patsy. Now this is a reference to Monty Python. You see it in the film, especially The Life of Brian. You'll see some of those animations, and that's another sort of throw reference, Easter egg to the Monty Python team. Another one you can do on other Teslas is type in 007 and it changes it to, on the suspension setting, it changes to that cool Lotus Esprit submarine, which was found in the film. Say it in the comments. The Spy Who Loved Me. The Spy Who Loved Me is from that film. Anyway, you can change that by just simply pressing 007. So if you've got a Model S or whatever, you want to check it out, try it on that. But it doesn't look like it works on this one. If you say keep summer safe, like so, hold this. Keep summer safe. Sentry mode engaged. You can see up here, here's the sentry mode icon. So all the cameras are on and filming any unsuspicious activity. So keep summer safe is a reference to Rick and Morty, if you've seen the episode, where Summer is in that weird spaceship thing and they say keep summer safe, and that's why if you say keep summer safe, it references Rick and Morty. Another little cheeky Easter egg there. And I believe that is all the Easter eggs. That's all the Easter eggs. If there's any more that you can think of, do let me know in the comments below. Let me know if I've said one that you didn't know. And oh, actually, there is a Back to the Future one. There is a Back to the Future one, but you're going to need the app. So when you get to 121 miles, just throwing this one in there as a bonus, click the battery icon on your Tesla app, and then that 121 miles changes to 1.21 gigawatts, which is a reference to the film, which is said by Doc Emmett Brown. Anyway, let me know what you think to the video. Throw us a like, comment down below any that I've missed or any you didn't know. Get subbed, and I'll see you on the next one.